Hey you guys, I'm Stephanie. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you my part 2 to my Hawaii trip. Like I said in part 1, this video is going to be way shorter. In this video, I show you guys my last day for my vacation to Hawaii, where I went on a boat tour. I went to the Honolulu Zoo, and then I'm going to show you guys coming back home. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below. Let's get on with the video. Good morning, everybody. So right now I'm in the hotel. I'm gonna go downstairs because there's a little restaurant, like a breakfast restaurant downstairs, and it's right next door. Like literally not even the next door, it's literally in the same roundabout. And it's called Eggs and Things, and we ate there yesterday morning. So yeah, right now I'm just gonna go see. I know they must be open, but I want to go see if there's a line, because my dad told me that there's usually a line. I'm gonna go just make the line if there's one, and if there's not, I'm gonna just literally come back to the hotel room. Let's go see if this place is open and has a long line out. This is the restaurant right here. To go menu, they said that the wait is like 2 hours, but takeout is 20 minutes, so I'm gonna go tell that to them. This is the hotel. We're leaving right now. We're about to go on a boat tour, and after that I think we're going to the airport. Future Stephanie editing. So we checked out of the hotel. It was time to go on the boat tour. It wasn't like 2 hours, so we had a lot of time on our hands. Since we were in Waikiki, we just went like walking along the beach, and then we saw the Honolulu Zoo, and we were like, okay, we should probably just go in the zoo until it's time to go on the boat tour. And those are the next clips you're gonna see. And then after the zoo, we were like basically rushing to go to the boat tour. So let's continue with the video. We're here at this zoo.
De hecho, eso es un término en finanzas.
That one is a black swan. It looks funny.
They have red eyes. Come here, come here.
OMG. A tortoise. They're so cute. Oh my god, that's the one from Madagascar.
Oh, ese.
Wow, beautiful. Let's see a wild dog. See. Mira. Oh. Está feo la cara.
Kiddo, where are you?
We're not in Waikiki anymore, but we're on a boat tour now.
Yeah, Waikiki. So Waikiki's like this side over here.
Airport now. Let me see you guys the plane. This is the plane that's going to be taking us. And take us to Chicago, and then from there I'm going to go home. Thank you. Hi. Thank you. Hi. Thank you so much. Wait, which way? It's going to take about 8 hours to get from Honolulu to Chicago. And we've only been on the plane for like 1 hour, so we have a good couple of hours to go. And I'm already over this. I really don't like being in the plane for too long. I'm just gonna probably find something to watch. They already gave us food, so maybe I'll just try to take a good nap or something. But yeah, I'll check in with you guys later, maybe when I land, because nothing really interesting is gonna happen in the plane. So I'll see you guys later. I know my hair looks really messy, but I tried to take a nap and I did sleep some, but it was so uncomfortable and cold. So I really got any rest. But we're about to land in like 40 minutes. So yeah, I don't think I'm gonna sleep anymore. It's really uncomfortable. So that flight that I was talking about that was 8 hours from Honolulu to Chicago, that was just our connection flight. Then from Chicago, I took a flight to where I actually stayed. I'm finally on the plane back home. We haven't took off yet, but okay guys, so that concludes all of the videos and all the clips that I had gotten from my Hawaii trip. Overall, this trip was so beautiful. I feel like I was living in a dream, literally. There was like a few little things that happened that I will be making probably a story time like sometime in the future. We're gonna save that for another day. But as for the trip, it was literally my dream. I usually have a good experience with the food for the most part. I tried this food called el moco, but if I'm not mistaken, it's like a native Hawaiian food. And if anyone from Hawaii is watching this, I'm sorry, but that was not doing it for me. Like, I did not like that dish. Maybe I just went to the wrong restaurant. I usually try to like put like little pieces of advice in my videos, especially my travel videos. I feel like after I made the story time about my fall, I kind of broke that barrier of like TMI. So I'm gonna say this for my girls out there: if you're going, not necessarily to Hawaii, but if you're going, I don't know, just on vacation in general, take your own toiletries, take your own pads. Okay, I'ma just say that because you don't know if you are gonna go into a new place and get a different brand or get the same brand and it's not working the same. That's what happened to me. So I'm just giving you guys that advice. Just take your own stuff. So yeah, just be prepared. So whoever watched my vacation all the way through, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. I'm really happy to be able to document these experiences and not just have them for myself, but share them for whoever is interested. I hope you guys have watched part 1. If you haven't, go watch it. I hope you guys are having a great day. God bless you guys, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.